What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial of Mantis. Praying mantis? I think it's a praying one. It's a mantis anyway. Cool insect. So let's try and draw this head real small, right? So we're going full body, right, for this one. We're going to do our best with that. So let's try the head, and we'll start with the eye, right? So we've got this crazy big eye up here. His head's a bit small. I might zoom in for you just to get the details. So we'll start up here. Right. Big sort of oval eye. Okay, and we got like this little beady little dot just in there. So shape for the head kind of comes around the eye. So he's got like skin folds and all this kind of stuff coming around the eye. Like a ridge sort of coming down underneath the eye. It looks like it goes down towards his mouth. Then around the other side. And then we'll go the head then. This way, down to a mouth. It's kind of pointy down here. It's kind of like a bird's beak. And then it goes back up this way. And then around to the eye again. And you can see a little bump for the other eye, or her. These are female, aren't they? These ones. Right, so there's like another bump around here. And then there's like ridges of armor and shell-like sort of structures kind of just all on this. So say like here. There's like what looks like a mouth or a lip or something. And there's like little broken like pieces of shells and stuff there. And then some on the face this way. So I'm just like breaking these up into different parts and stuff like that, right? So he seems to have like two little like weird tentacles hanging down here. Not sure what they are really. Okay. And then the antenna. So two of them. So there's one like pretty close to his eye. So there's one like there, and then the other one close to the other eye, like there, I think. And then these go just like kind of whoop, so kind of like curvy at the top. Like that, right? And then the other one probably down here. So we'll go aiming for that dot. Okay, so there's three main parts to the body. We've got like the upper abdomen, the bottom abdomen, and then like all those legs. So we do like he's got like a shoulder armor. And it kind of goes down to here. Right. And so the top of this got like a little bump here and then back down. It's like a shell on the back. It's got like a little ridge there is some like details and stuff on all this, but we'll just get the other back portion in as well. So another big piece of armor. Although I think that's where the wings are as well. And then this goes, yeah, bumps up to there. And a similar sort of edge line around it. Down to there. So the abdomen, down to a little spike there, and then this has sort of like bumpy sort of shell-like structures down here as well. And again, they're kind of ridges, they're kind of raised up. So a little trick I learned to make something look raised up is 2 lines instead of 1. Right, kind of that kind of thing. A line down the middle just to make it look like it's changing direction there. So, what next? So we've got these kind of elaborate veins and stuff. So let's see what we can do with this. We might do a 2-line thing as well. So we'll go there, and then yeah, I'll make them raised up. So we'll do double line again on these. So there are all these little sort of veins, kind of. And little sort of texture lines and all this kind of. Right. So just kind of like breaking it up into different little sections and dots and textures and stuff. Okay, kind of just makes it look a bit bumpy, that's all. And they're kind of thin lines. That seems to be the way it is anyway in the picture. And then I think there's a couple of these up here. Okay. So we gotta like join it up to everything. So he's got like shoulders and arms and body parts and all this. So we've got like neck, right? Going here, back of the neck, there. And then we got like a shoulder joint situation sort of here, right? And then this comes down the body again, quite thin. And we start to like meet legs. And everything's kind of bumpy and armored and stuff. He's got like a leg sticking out here, right? And then the back goes that way. So these are like arm joints, leg joints. Another leg going this way. Maybe a bit of the belly there. And another leg joint. Kind of starting there, right? So these have all sort of little armor things on them as well. Like, so you just kind of randomly kind of break all this up. If you wanted to be super like accurate with it, you could, but it's kind of just like random little bumps and ridges and all that kind of thing. Well, they look random to me. Obviously, they have a function. Right? And bumpy stuff. There. So now, the praying part is the claws out the front, right? So we've got like big elbows, kinda. Okay. And then this seems to connect to an arm. So we'll go over this way. Kind of broken up into sections. And then like the other arm kind of comes out the front, so you got like the other sort of bumpy shoulder section, and then kind of goes down, and maybe the elbow sticks out here, and we get the beginning of the other sort of mantis arm going up to here somewhere. Okay, and like some bumps and like texture lines and ridges and stuff on this. And then we just add some spikes. Coming down there. And there's some spikes on the arms. Quite big ones down here now. And they look a bit kind of hairy and stuff, so like thin on the top. Right, so we have another bend here, right? And then the arms go thinner down to here. It's like a knee joint or something there. And this seems to come out the other side. And then we gotta start adding like little spiky sections then. And then he has like tentacles or something sticking out. And the other one's up higher, so it's like up here. Like hooks, are they? Or right, getting there. Complicated this. So knee. So we got like a sort of elbow joint or something here, up to a knee, and then a big long skinny leg, like crazy long. Oh, there's like some skin or something here. Right, and then another one here, sort of going backwards. And like some more little spikes and stuff down there. And then his elbow goes. What is that? So there should be two. So there's another one there. Oh, this is confusing. I'm getting confused. So I'll go, like, we'll do like as if there's, I think there's another arm here. There's a third one going that way. Is that right? Okay. Let's see. We'll do like one coming out here. It's a bit confusing. This could be an AI image, I'm not sure. There's like a kneecap there. And then a big long leg this way. And there seems to be another leg behind this one, like another knee. There, and then there's like, so that must be, oh, this is the elbow for that one, I think. And then there's like another little leg sticking down behind here. And then we'll go with like feet. And it's like just this kind of hooked, spiky sort of claws. Okay. Okay. Color green, I guess. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.